Hello children. Exercise 1A you have already completed. Now properties of subtraction, multiplication and division of rational number going to start. About closure property you already know, but now you understand closure property of subtraction, multiplication and division. So when you will subtract any two rational number, the result is a rational number. See example, 3 upon 5 minus 5 upon 10 equal to, the value is 1 by 10, means rational number. Now see in multiplication, a upon b multiply c upon d, the result is a rational number. Means if you multiply any two rational number, the result is also a rational number. In division also see, when you will divide any two rational number, the result is also a rational number. That means closure property holds all three fundamental operations. This subtraction, multiplication, division and addition already I have taught in the first video. Now second commutative property, a upon b minus c upon d is not equal to c upon d minus a upon b. Means commutative property doesn't hold subtraction. You can take example, you can solve by yourself and you can see proof. Subtraction doesn't hold this property. But in multiplication, if any two rational number is commutative, a upon b multiply c upon d, the result is equal to c upon d multiply a upon d, the value equal to 1. Means LHS equal to RHS you will get. So this property holds multiplication. Okay. So in division, two different rational number is not commutative. A upon b divided by c upon d is not equal to c upon d divided by a upon b. That means division does not hold commutative property. Okay. Subtraction and division doesn't hold commutative property. Only multiplication hold commutative property. Clear? Now third property is associative property of subtraction. The subtraction of rational number is not associative. A upon b subtract c upon d minus e upon f not equal to a upon b minus c upon d minus e upon f. So subtraction does not hold associative property. You can take example, you solve by yourself, you can see the proof that associative property of subtraction doesn't hold. Okay, but multiplication holds associative property. A upon b multiply c upon d multiply e upon f equal to a upon b multiply c upon d multiply e upon f. You can take example, 2 by 3 multiply 4 by 2 multiply 5 by 6 equal to 2 by 3 multiply 4 by 2 multiply 5 by 6. So the result is LHS equal to RHS, 40 by 36, 40 by 36. Okay. So in division doesn't hold this property, but multiplication hold this property. Which property? Associative property. Clear? Now fourth is existence of identity. In subtraction doesn't hold this property. See here, a upon b minus 0 is not equal to 0 minus a upon b. 5 by 8 minus 0 is not equal to 0 minus 5 by 8. The result would be different. LHS is not equal to RHS. So existence of identity of subtraction does not hold. Okay. Existence of multiplicative identity of rational number. Multiplicative identity for rational number is 1. Multiplicative identity means 1. If you will multiply any rational number by 1, the result is a rational number, means a by b. Rational number remains same. Okay. An identity for division of rational number does not exist. Clear? Now fifth property is existence of inverse. In this property, inverse for subtraction doesn't exist. In the same way, inverse for division of rational numbers, all also doesn't exist. So existence of inverse of subtraction and division doesn't exist. Clear? But now existence of multiplicative inverse of rational number, the reciprocal of a rational number is called its multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal of a rational number is called its multiplicative inverse. See here, multiplicative inverse means a rational number 3 by 5 if you are taking. 3 by 5 inverse is 5 by 3. Okay, what is the multiplicative inverse of 0? Can you tell? What is the multiplicative inverse of 0? Answer is 0 doesn't have its multiplicative inverse. 0 doesn't have its multiplicative inverse. Clear? And now the product of a rational number and its multiplicative inverse is equal to multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity means the value 1. Suppose you are multiplying rational number 3 by 5, multiply 5 by 3 means 3 by 5 inverse you are taking 5 by 3. 3 by 5 multiply 5 by 3, the result is 1. The 1 means multiplicative identity. Clear? Now sixth property is distributive of multiplication over addition. A by B multiply C by D plus E by F. Only in distributive property little different. Only distributive. Little different means it is multiplication over addition. So inside the bracket there is a plus sign. Clear? Plus sign is here. A upon B multiply C upon D plus E upon F equal to. Now see, multiply A upon B into C upon D plus A upon B multiplies E upon F. So take example, 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 equal to 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 multiply 5 by 6. The result is LHS equal to RHS, 38 by 36, 38 by 36. Is that clear? So all these properties revise and complete exercise 1C and 1B and 1C. 2 exercise complete. Next video I will teach you number line and rational to find rational number between the rational number. Clear? Okay, complete the questions. Any doubt you can ask in group. Okay.